Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to fix this error in WordPress. You can see that when you log into WordPress, you can see on the dashboard, you can see it says PHP update recommended. Then it tells you that your site is running under insecure version of PHP 5.6.40, which should be updated. What is PHP and how does it affect my site? PHP is programming language used to build and maintain WordPress. Newer versions of PHP are created with increased performance in mind. So you may see a positive effect on your site's performance. The minimum recommended version is PHP 7.4. Right, so now this is the problem here. We got to do what? To update this, to change our PHP to the right PHP. Okay, now what we're gonna do, you're gonna log into your FTP. Then if you don't have that, I'm gonna show you what to do, what else to do. So when you log into your cPanel, so you're gonna scroll down and scroll down and scroll down and scroll down. You're gonna pass everything here. Then you're gonna go to a place called what can we say? No, down after under softwares, you're gonna find something called Multi PHP Manager. So it depends on the interface you're gonna be using, but most of hosting companies, they use this interface. So which means this is the software they use. So it's easier for you to do what to play with, because I'm using the same thing. So when you see Multi PHP Manager, you click there. When you here, remember, you can see the PHP we have now. So remember that they said we got to change it, and they say the version is 8. This one is what they recommend. They say we need PHP 7 at least, but then there's a newest which is called PHP 8. So use this. Why? Because newer versions, in most cases, they can be a problem, whereby there could be some things they have to fix. They can be not working with the new some plugins and stuff. Use this, what they say, because they say it's gonna be 4.7. Okay, we choose that and we save. If you save, you see this simply means you never selected. You have to select a site. It could happen like you have a couple of sites here. So when I select that, then I apply. Let's see what happens. You can see say successful. So then what we're gonna go do, we're gonna come here and you got to, first of all, before we refresh, you have to copy all these things, all the message here. So once you copy it, and there's a reason why I'm copying this, for people who cannot manage to do what I've done, because it can happen like your hosting company do not allow anyone to change that. So if they don't allow that, I'm gonna give you a way to do that. So what you do, copy this if you did not manage to do that, but if you did, don't worry about that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna do what? You're gonna refresh, because we've done doing that. You can see refresh. Yeah, you see all that. You see the message is gone, right? So since the message is gone, so there's no way that that message can come back. So it's gone. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go for those guys who did not manage to get that option. There's a way how you can do it. What is the way? The way is easier. You can go to your Gmail and say enter. Once you enter, you're gonna compose an email and write to those guys. I'm gonna say maybe your hosting company, paste this here, and since we wanted to paste that there, so something came along with this, it's fine. So we can say PHP we're gonna say PHP okay, update. Okay, you type in this, say PHP update, then you type in the hosting company's name. This time it's going to be Java West 5 at gmail.com. Okay, you put the heading already. So what we do, let me delete this. I don't need this, recommended whatever. So since I don't need this, it's fine. Okay, you are running an insecure what. Okay, what you gonna do, I wanted to go back here. I wonder why it doesn't do. Okay, you can tell them here down and say hi. You see the message above. Okay, please update my PHP on domain. Then you put the domain name, maybe just code.co.za 2. Which version they say? They said PHP version 7.4. Okay, by this time it's 7.4. I want to put 7.4, but by that time maybe you're gonna watch the video after some time here, so you put it on what they recommended here, so you put on that version. Okay, and after that you say, and also you can give me rights on my cPanel to be able to change it next time. Okay, then after say yours sincerely, Azania. Okay, that's right. After that we're gonna send that. So we send that. Okay, after sending, just for some reasons I want to delete this message. Okay, after doing that, the hosting company is gonna help you to change that for you. You understand? So you don't have to stress much, because if you can't do it, they know, some of them, they don't have that powerful security to monitor everything. So what they do, they switch them off so that people don't play with it. You get me? So I've changed this. Yeah, we cannot see any other stress. So your PHP version has changed. So that's the way to fix that. I believe, guys, that is something which which has a lot of help to people who didn't know how to do it. There are two ways how to do it. You can send an email, or you can do it yourself, as I did show you in the tutorial. There are many reasons why you should do this. In some cases, you might find that you cannot. If we go, let me say, for instance, we go to plugins. You cannot download some plugins, or you cannot update some plugins just because those plugins, they cannot allow any PHP version which is lower than 7.4. So you can see on these plugins, whenever I click, they don't give me any issue. But if I did not do that, it was gonna be okay. If I did not do that, you can see, let me wait for this, let me cancel this, let me wait for this to update. Then okay, this one, you see it has updated. So but if we tried to update before we did that, it would have given us some issues. Why? Because some newer plugins also, they put restrictions that they need. There's a specific version of PHP they start supporting, not like they start accepting. So you can find that PHP 5 point something, most plugins, they don't like it. So when you try to install them or to update them, they will never give you a chance. They will say no to that. Why? Because they don't want you to do what they want you to use the newer version, because the newer versions in most cases they have more security, and also they are a little bit faster. All those things, all of those factors matters. That's why these guys, they don't want you to use old versions of PHP, because the old versions, you know, people who deal with security, some they might, maybe there were some loopholes in those ones. So PHP, what they do, they create a newer one to close that. And sometimes in the new one you can find a function which is being used also in the new plugins, which you cannot find in the old version. So that's why they say no, if PHP is not maybe above 7.4 or 7.3, we're not going to give it our plugin to run on it. So that's why they force you to update your PHP. I hope that helps, guys, and I tried a little bit to explain why they need that, so that you can understand what's going on. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share our content. Please tell us if we made any mistake in the tutorial, and maybe we can improve. Also, we can learn from you. Understand? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.